Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. I've made Tamatar Pyaz ka paratha. Now this is a really delicious flaky paratha that you can have. You can make it into a roti as well, not necessary to make it into a paratha itself. The ingredients list is given below and I've got lots of such paratha recipes on my channel, so do subscribe and click the bell. So let's jump into the recipe. So first we're making the stuffing, for which on medium-high flame I've heated some oil in a pan. Into this I'm going to add some cumin seeds and ajwain or carom seeds. We'll just let that brown a little. After which we'll add in finely chopped onion and finely chopped green chilli into this mixture. Now we'll saute the onion and the green chilies and we'll wait for the onion to slightly change color. Once the onions are done, we'll add in the finely chopped tomatoes into this mixture. Saute it for a few seconds. And then we'll add in all the masala powders, which is turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, red chilli powder, cumin powder and amchur. Now also add some salt to taste. Mix everything and we'll cook this masala until the tomatoes soften. Once the masala is cooked, we'll add in some kasuri methi on top and then cook it for another 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes the masala is ready. I've switched off the flame and we are going to cool this mixture slightly. Now transfer the mixture into a bowl. And I'm going to add the whole wheat flour into this mixture. Now we give it a nice mix and crumble it slightly. So the crumble is nice and ready. Now all that we have to do is to make this into a paratha dough, for which I'm going to add water gradually and bring it together. So we'll also add some ghee to this mixture and then make it into a paratha dough. So it's nice and soft. Now let's start making the paratha. So I've taken a small piece of the dough and made it into a peda. I'm going to put some wheat flour on top and start rolling it. Now this won't come into a perfect shape because it's got onion and tomato in it, so that's okay. Now just add a little bit of ghee on top. Add some flour, rub it in and then we'll start pleating the paratha. Now if you don't want to do the pleating part, you can just use it just like this, put it on the tawa and cook it the same way. Otherwise you can just pleat it and make it into a lacha paratha kind and then put it on the tawa and cook it. So I've just pleated it and rolled it and made layers. Now we'll put some flour on top and then start rolling it into a circle. So my paratha is ready. I'll make the rest of them in the same way. So the parathas are ready. I've heated a tawa on medium high. I'm going to transfer the paratha to the tawa. We'll cook it from one side, flip it to the other side. Grease it with some ghee and cook it until brown spots appear on both sides. So after the paratha is nicely cooked, you should just crush it between your palms so that the layers just pop out, and our lovely paratha is ready to be served. You can serve this with some raita. So do let me know how the recipe turned out in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Bye bye.